In this video, I'll show you how to configure the ZeroDrag Nexus 1 receiver to run over MAVLink. So let's get started. Let's configure the transmitter and receiver side first. Make sure your transmitter and receiver are already paired and working fine. If not, click on this I button in the corner and watch that video first. Now, on your transmitter, go into System, then ExpressLRS, and set your link mode to MAVLink.
For your Nexus 1 receiver, power it up via USB and wait for 60 seconds. Then, open the ExpressLRS configurator and, under General, open Serial and select Serial Protocol as MAVLink. Then save and click on Reboot. Now let's move toward Mission Planner. In Mission Planner, select the COM port as Auto and hit Connect. Wait for a few seconds and your flight controller will connect. Next, we need to check which serial port and UART your Nexus 1 receiver is physically connected to on the flight controller. To check this, go to Setup, then Mandatory Hardware. Click Serial Port to see the available serial and UART ports. For my setup, it is connected to SERIAL6 UART2 and set the protocol to MAVLink 2. And set the baud rate to 460,800. Now go to Config and open the full parameter list. Search for SERIAL6_baud and set it to 460, which gives you a baud rate of 460,800. Then search for SERIAL6_protocol and set it to 2 for MAVLink. These two values need to match what we just set in the serial port screen. Next, search for RC_options and set its value to 32. Then search for RSSI_type and set that to 5. And lastly, search for BLD_alt_config and set its value to 1. Once all parameters are set, write the parameters and reboot your flight controller. Now let's check if everything works. Go to Setup, then Mandatory Hardware, and select Radio Calibration. Move the sticks and switches on your transmitter, and confirm that the channel values are moving correctly in Mission Planner. And that's it! Your Nexus 1 receiver is now configured with your Nova F405 flight controller running over MAVLink. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.